Welcome to another video on Docker Essential Training. Today we are going to discuss about BusyBox container events, the embedded Linux, which is most popular and developed by IBM. So in this video we will have our first interaction with BusyBox. BusyBox in Docker is a very lightweight image with few Linux commands. We will use as a test subject to understand the image concept in Docker. It only the image size of this container is few megabytes. So that would be very interesting for us. The actual size of the BusyBox is known as the Swiss Army knife of embedded Linux. As we know, coming in somewhere between 1 and 5 megabyte in on disk size, BusyBox is a very good ingredient to craft space efficient distribution. BusyBox combines tiny version of many common Unix utilities into a single small executable. It provides a replacement of most of the utilities you usually find in GNU file utils, shell utils, etc. The utilities in BusyBox generally have fewer options than their full-featured GNU cousins. However, the options that are included provided the expected functionality and behave very much like their GNU counterparts. BusyBox provides a fairly complete environment of any small or embedded system. Let's jump into the practical side of this tutorial. Open the terminal and let's open the browser. Docker hub. Let's click on explore. Now type BusyBox. Okay, click this one. It will open this page. BusyBox Docker official image. It is a container came with following architecture: ARM, x86 and 64. Maintained by Docker community. It has a supported version and references. It has something. There's some BusyBox shell command to configure in Docker environment. Let's install the container in our system. Sudo paste this command. It will ask for your password. Enter. Installation has been done, completed successfully. Let's try. Sudo docker, let's run this BusyBox container. Nothing happens, but command has been executed successfully. Let's see what has been created by this command. So by this ls command we can view the folders associated with the BusyBox in BusyBox container. Here you can see bin tab etc. It's look like a complete Linux operating system with minimal repositories. So we have learned how to install BusyBox container from Docker Hub and inspect the folders associated by this command after running the BusyBox in Docker engine. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.